The pigeons come to the river to bathe. They need to preen their flight feathers, clean off the city dust, and cool themselves down. But death lies in wait. As the pigeons bathe, oil from their plumage flows downstream and is detected. A monstrous Wells catfish. Virtually exterminated the local fish stocks, and they've now developed a taste for pigeon. Their eyesight is poor, so they use their barbels to sense the movements of their victims. After 1,000 years of living in this city, pigeons are now having to learn to avoid a fish.